Hey, all. My name is Paul Borosky, and I'm the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create your breakfast restaurant pro forma financial projections using my breakfast restaurant business plan template and financial model. So the way the video is going to work out is that first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into the pro forma financial projections for a breakfast restaurant, and I'll show you how to use my financial model to complete them really quick. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Real quick, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me calls, me, text me, email. I would be delighted to help y'all with your business plan. I am also a business mentor as well as a business consultant. So my services range anywhere from helping y'all understand your financials to strategic planning, executing those strategic plans to optimizing your operations, all those wonderful things that a business consultant and a business mentor does, I do. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you all have your business plan ready to go, but you need those pesky financial projections done, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to assist. And with that said, let's dive right back into it. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the financial model that you can use for your breakfast restaurant business plan, specifically the financial model, the financial projections aspect of it. So, if you do purchase my breakfast restaurant business plan template, it does come with the Word document, which is the actual business plan, and then it comes with the Excel spreadsheet, which is what I created for your financial model. And once you open up the Excel spreadsheet, you're going to be greeted with four tabs. You're going to have your information page, and this is where you're going to make all your changes. You're going to make your changes to your sales, your revenues, your labor, your startup costs, the whole kit and caboodle. And I'll go over that in just a second. Once you make the changes to this page, then all the changes are going to roll into your summary tab, which is your projections tab, and this gives you just a summary of your revenues, your costs, your net profits, and gives you a nice little chart. And then it also rolls into your profit and loss statement, which is just a month to month breakdown for your first year, month 1 through month 12, broken up quarterly. And then all of those changes in the information page will also roll into your pro forma income statement, which is just a summary for 5 years of your revenues, your expenses, and your net income. All right. So all the changes that you're going to make, like I said, are going to take place on your information page. And anywhere you see the darker colored cells, the darker colored blue cells, is where you're going to make your changes. The first section is going to be your daily sales. So for your daily sales for your breakfast restaurant, you can go ahead and change the number of customers, which would be right here. You would change the average sales price per customer, and then whatever your variable cost is as a percentage, you change it here. Once you make those three changes, then it'll start to kick in and calculate your daily revenues, and the formulas will bring it into your monthly and then your annual revenues as well. Now, this one right here, this cell right here, this is how many days you're going to be in operations per week. If it's 7, then write 7. If it's 6, then 6. 5, then 5. However many days you're going to be operations, go ahead and put that number here. The next section is going to be your labor. First segment for the labor is going to be your salary, how much you want your executive team to make. And then underneath that is for your employees. How many employees do you want? The rate of pay on average per employee, and the number of hours monthly for the employees you'd put right here. Next segment is going to be your startup costs. You need someplace to put your startup costs, so I give you that. The first two lines are going to be how you're going to be funding your startup, and it could be either equity investment or a loan. And then below that is some buckets that you can go ahead and divvy up your investment cost or your startup cost, and you can show the whoever's going to be the reader as to where the startup funds are going, and it's broken down here. Your next segment is going to be your monthly fixed costs. These titles right here cannot change, but right here, these numbers right here can change. So you make these changes, and again, it rolls into your profit and loss. It rolls into your income statement. Miscellaneous information is just your tax rate, whatever you think your tax rate is going to be. And these are your growth rates. These are your growth rates for your first 5 years for revenues. And then you can also break it down into the growth rates for your cost as well. And then finally is going to be your loan information. However much you're going to be taking out for a loan, you're going to put it in this line right here. Once you put it in that line, it's going to immediately populate down here. Then you just change the interest rate, you change your term, And then again, your payment will be calculated for you. And then the interest portion of your payment will be, again, populated throughout your financial projections. So that's pretty much how you're going to use this spreadsheet. It's really simple, straightforward, to the point. You make the changes to the darker colored cells, and it rolls into your financial projections for your next 12 months and your income statement as well. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.